100 feet. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing 100 feet of RGB strips. This is by a company named DDBOX on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. I'm not too sure on the price, so you're going to have to go check. But anyways, I have a ton of stuff in here. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first we have some double-sided sticky tape. So it's an extra mount and it looks pretty high quality. So you have two rolls. Here we have a bag full of tons of different mounting accessories. I believe there's 30 sticky brackets. And then you have some extra sticky pads. We're going to go ahead and open this in a minute. But you also have connectors, screws, tons of different stuff in here. So you're getting your money's worth for sure. Right here we have a AC adapter. Oh, everything's already completely plugged in. That's very nice. An AC adapter. This is 12 volts, 5 amp. I have 1, 2, 3 spools. Each of them I think are around 33 feet. We have 3 of them. 3 connectors. We have the 44 key remote. This one looks really good. So this one you have a brightness up and down, a pause, a on and off. Just one button, a RGBW, and then you have 12 little other colors right here. You have 4 different music modes right here. You have an auto, slow, quick, flash, fade 3 and 7, jump 3 and 7, and then you have a DIY panel right here with another 12 buttons. Then you can also control it in the app, which is even better. The app name, Happy Lighting app. And then you can like do other stuff, and I'll show you in a minute what that looks like. So everything is connected properly, which is cool. But here is the IR receiver. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this. Control box. You have a mode, speed, and color, which means you can change the color, you could change the speed, or I think that's a power button. And then you can also do music mode. And it has 2 microphones rather than 1, so it'll help pick up even better. And you have a little mounting bracket right here, so you can go ahead and mount the thing easily. IR receiver, which has a 360-degree field of view. Now you do have to disconnect it to get it out. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it. I think it just shows you how to connect it the first time. It has some pretty good looking tape. Last time I seen red tape like this, it worked really well. So this is some high quality tape. And then you also have some more high quality tape, so you can add extra to like the AC adapter if you wanted to, or whatever you want. And you can use the mounting brackets as well. And then they also come with sticky little strips here, so you can use that for this or the IR receiver, the control box, whatever you want. Basically, you have tons of different mounting options. All you have to do is disconnect everything, make sure it is fully visible like this, basically, so you're able to unspool them all, and then you can go ahead and plug it in arrow to arrow. Only the ones that have the prongs. I'm only going to do one for right now. The AC adapter, get this end, plug it into the control box, and then you plug it into the power. But it looks red only because of the tape. So you have on and off. You can change the brightness. The IR receiver right here is visible. So you have red, green, as you can see, look really good. I like them. Blue, this one's a nice dark blue. White, orange, green, or like a ton of different colors here.